Dubai isn't just a city. It's a masterpiece sculpted from sand, ambition, and imagination. A place where the tallest building in human history touches the clouds, where islands shaped like palm trees float on the sea, where the desert becomes a playground of luxury, and where the future arrives decades ahead of everywhere else. In 2025, Dubai has evolved again. Faster, smarter, more breathtaking than ever before. Every corner feels alive, every view feels like a dream, and every experience feels crafted to redefine what it means to travel. This isn't just a trip. It's a transformation. A journey into a world where wealth, innovation, and culture blend into something extraordinary. Subscribe to Rich Habit for more elite travel documentaries that reveal the world's most luxurious destinations and hidden experiences. Join us as we explore how wealth, culture, and ambition shape the lifestyles of the top 1%. 1. Burj Khalifa Sunrise, a moment above time. Your Dubai journey begins at the top of the world. The elevator climbs so fast it feels like rising through a portal, and when the doors open on the 148th floor, the entire city lies beneath you like a glowing map. The sun rises slowly over the horizon, turning the desert gold and the towers into silhouettes carved against the sky. You watch the world wake up. Cars start to move like tiny veins, boats glide across the marina, and rays of light break through clouds like blessings from above. In that moment, you feel small, yet infinitely inspired. This is more than a view, it's an awakening. 2. Old Dubai, the heart that still beats through time. While Dubai is famous for futuristic brilliance, its soul lives in Old Dubai. The alleys of Al Fahidi feel untouched by time. Mud brick walls, wooden wind towers, ancient architecture cooled by desert breezes. You step onto an old wooden abra, paying just 1 dirham, and drift across Dubai Creek. Around you, the sounds of traders echo, spices being poured, gold jewelry clinking, merchants negotiating in Arabic, Hindi, Farsi, and Swahili. The smell of cardamom, saffron, and frankincense hangs in the air. Dubai may be modern, but this is where the story began, a trading port built on grit, determination, and cultural fusion. 3. Museum of the Future. Walking into tomorrow. This building doesn't look real. A silver ring carved with poetry floats above the ground. Inside, you step into 2071. Holographic doctors analyze your health. AI teachers guide you through knowledge. Space missions to Mars feel one step away. Digital forests breathe with virtual life. Nothing here sits behind glass. Everything reacts to you, speaks to you, moves with you. You don't watch the future. You live inside it. And when you walk out, you don't just feel amazed. You feel hopeful about what humans can build. 4. Desert Safari 2025, a cinematic desert experience. Once you leave the city, the silence hits you. A vast desert of red dunes stretching endlessly into the horizon. Your luxury 4x4 climbs, slides, and dances over the dunes like a roller coaster on sand. Camels rest gently nearby. Falcons circle the sky. You reach camp at sunset. Lanterns glow. Oud music plays. A fire crackles as traditional dancers move against the darkening sky. You lie back on carpets, watching millions of stars appear, stars brighter than you've ever seen. The desert has a way of making you feel both peaceful and powerful at the same time. 5. Dubai Mall and Fountain Show, luxury meets art. Dubai Mall isn't just a mall, it's a universe. A luxury fashion district feels like strolling through Paris. The aquarium wraps around you like a tunnel beneath the sea. You find ice rinks, waterfalls, VR worlds, Michelin star restaurants, and stores that sparkle with gold and diamonds. But nothing beats the moment the sun sets and the Dubai fountain awakens. Water shoots 150 meters into the sky, synchronized with music and lights that dance across the lake. Every show feels like a mini-movie. People from every country gather here. For a few minutes, the whole world watches water dance in perfect harmony. 6. Ain Dubai, floating above a futuristic city. Ain Dubai isn't just an observation wheel, it's an aerial journey. As your cabin rises, the Palm Jumeirah reveals its perfect shape. Atlantis glows like a golden palace. Skyscrapers pierce the clouds. And during sunset, the view transforms into a painting, shades of orange, purple, and gold melting into the sea. You don't just see Dubai from above. You feel how far this city has come. 7. Dubai Marina, where the nights come alive. When night falls, Dubai Marina becomes the most cinematic place in the city. The water reflects neon colors from hundreds of towers. Mega yachts drift silently along the canal. Restaurants overflow with music and laughter. You walk along the waterfront, feeling the energy of travelers, locals, influencers, and luxury lovers all around you. It's glamorous, but also warm, welcoming, and full of life. A boat dinner under the moonlight here stays in your memory forever. 8. Palm Jumeirah and Atlantis the Royal, the crown of luxury. Palm Jumeirah is a miracle, a man-made island shaped like a palm tree, visible from space. But its greatest masterpiece is Atlantis the Royal. Fire meets water in giant fountains. Sky pools float above the clouds. Underwater suites let you sleep beside sharks and exotic fish. Golden hallways, royal dining, world-class chefs, everything here is designed to redefine luxury. You don't stay here to relax. You stay here to experience what ultimate luxury feels like. 9. Global Village, the world in one night. Imagine visiting 90 countries in one evening. That's Global Village. You stroll from the pyramids of Egypt to Japanese gardens, from African drum shows to Turkish bazaars. The air fills with music, food sizzling on grills, laughter, fireworks, and cultural performances. It's the world's biggest celebration of global culture, colorful, joyful, diverse. A place where you feel the whole planet come alive in one space. 10. Sky Views Dubai, a thrill in the sky. You stand on a glass platform suspended between skyscrapers. The city lies beneath you. Tiny cars, tiny people, tiny lights. Your heart beats faster. Then comes the glass slide, clear, hanging outside the building, letting you slide between skyscrapers hundreds of meters in the air. It lasts only seconds, but the memory lasts forever. Dubai in 2025 is not just modern, it's visionary. It is the bridge between ancient culture and futuristic dreams. A city built by imagination, powered by ambition, and refined by luxury. Every moment here feels intentional. Every experience feels crafted. Every corner feels alive with possibility. Dubai doesn't just invite you to explore. Dubai invites you to dream bigger, to believe that anything, even the impossible, can be built. And once you visit, you leave with a different version of yourself. One that has tasted the future. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, make sure you subscribe, like, comment to Rich Habit for more luxury travel documentaries, global experiences, wealth and premium storytelling every day.